One of the rarest reptiles on Earth, the Orinoco crocodile patrols its territory.
This great river, the lifeblood of the continent, awakens slowly, shrouded in the